Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold fall 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold rose as the dollar eased and the outlook for inflation on the back of higher energy costs outweighed an expected European Central Bank rate hike. The dollar took a breather after a sweeping rally, easing slightly from milestone highs on the euro, yen and sterling. But not too far, as recession stalks Europe and US interest rates are poised for sharp rises. Hulin Wallet, the wallet service of one of the world's biggest Bitcoin mining pools, is suspending all withdrawals as it tries to preserve assets and stabilize liquidity, the firm said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Italy's retail sales will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 0130 GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.